How to change background image in Google Docs. So what you want to do is click insert and then click watermark. As you can see, we already have an image, but just for the sake of the lesson, now you have a couple of options here. You can select scale, and that makes the image be bigger, so it fills up the entire page and not just a part of the page. Now be careful, because when changing the page size, it will not scale the background image automatically. So if it fits, for example, on a letter format or an A4 format that I'm using right here, it may not be fully applicable to a larger sized page. Now you can click faded. So this is the thing. You can click faded. This does not make it transparent though, because as you can see up here, the page color is red. It's a custom page color. If you make it faded, the background color is not going to come to life because it's not transparent, it's just faded. To actually change it into being transparent, you have to go into more image options and increase the transparency here. And then you'll have something like this. You can also adjust the brightness of the background color for it to be very bright. Now, that was just an example to show you how it basically looks like. And that's how you change a background image in Google Docs.